What's good, guys? Mikkel Bennett here, aka The Credit Bull, and in today's video, what I'm going to show you guys is how to make a minimum of an extra $50,000 a year just by having good credit. Not having to invest into credit, not having to teach people about credit, not having to start a credit repair company, not having to start a business, none of that stuff, right? Just simply by you having good credit, here's one way that you can add an extra $50,000 to your household, okay? So, if you don't know what an authorized user is, it's basically allowing somebody to piggyback off of your credit so that they can improve their credit, right? Let's say that I have a $20,000 Navy Federal card and I've had it for 10 years and I had no missed payments. That would be a great card to allow somebody else to hop on to increase their credit score fast, right? So, if you have good credit, that means you're able to go out here and get nice limit credit cards, right? And after you let them nurture for a few years, you're going to have really great limits, right? So, imagine, you got 5 cards. Let's say this Navy Federal card here has $20,000. That has 26, right? We got another Navy Federal card. This has 10,000. We have a Credit One. This has 8. Or no, that's not Credit One. Oh yeah, that is the Credit One. It has 8. We have a Discover card here that has another 8. And then we have a Capital One that has $10,000, right? Now, I'm gonna broker these 5 cards out to people who are looking to add authorized users to their credit report, or other people who have businesses that they offer trade lines. I'm gonna broker these cards out for $500 every 90 days, right? Now, let's say hypothetically these cards each have 5 slots that I can add people on every 90 days, right? That's the cycle time. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 5 people to each one of these, right? And we're going to charge $500 every 90 days to the people that want to rent out a spot on these authorized users. So if you do the math, and I'm going to do the math real quick. If you say 500 and I got 5 slots, that's $2,500, right? That's $2,500 per card per 90 days. So let's multiply it by 5 because we got 5 cards, right? That's $12,500 every 90 days, right? Now, 90 days comes around 4 times a year. 3 months, 4 times a year. So let's times that by 4. That's $50,000, guys. Now, I have a stack right here of 5 cards, right? 5 cards, just because I have good credit, right? But guess what? I got another stack. I have another stack, guys. I have another stack of cards that I can broker out, right? So, guys, this is how you simply make an extra $50,000 on the low end and up to 6 figures, 7 figures a year just simply by having good credit. So I've been talking about the benefits of credit like crazy the last couple of years. This is one of the ones that I don't talk about that much because as I was rebuilding my credit, I wasn't really in a position to let people join spots on my authorized users yet, right? But now that I have credit established, high limit cards, I can clear the balance off and I'm brokering them out, right? I'm brokering them out because I make more money brokering them out than using them, right? So guys, that's one way that you can use your good credit to make more money. My name is Mikkel Bennett. If you're liking the content, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I need all of that, guys. And I'm going to keep blessing you with more information to take your credit, your business, and life to a whole nother level. Mikkel Bennett signing out. Take care, guys.